she say to you?
She asked how things are going between Dillion and I. And I told her, but that is not the case.
What is it?
She asked me about my parents. And she ended up saying we should arrange a meeting between both families.
She did?
Why are you sounding surprised? I mean, are you not supposed to be the master planner? Are you not supposed to put this into consideration?
Listen, I already did, okay? Don't worry, I'll fix it.
You fix it? What would you do about the fact that this woman already knows who my supposed father is?
I said do not worry, okay?
Okay. One more thing.
What?
I think I mistakenly dialed Chelsea's number.
You did what? Are you out of your mind? So in spite of my warning and even smashing your phone, you went ahead to call that boy. Are you okay?
I just told you I mistakenly dialed his number. I wanted to call someone else and then I ended up dialing his number. It wasn't intentional.
I see. Now that expensive mistake will never happen again. Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
But it was a mistake.
Rubbish.
You know, there's something I've learned over time in Vegas, and that is never to do business with family members. You can set them up, but do not entrust them with your business, else they will ruin it. Yes, come in.
Oh. He says,
Yes, sit down. What is this I hear that you're giving Diamond attitude? Don't you want to get married again?
of course I want to get married.
Need I remind you that you have limited time to make that happen?
Okay, why is everyone concentrating on me? It's not as if Laura here is even married.
Do you want to relinquish your rightful position to Laura? Should I start to pressure her to get a man? What is even wrong with you, Dillion? What's wrong with you? I mean, Diamond is a pretty lady and I believe that she will make a good wife. Why don't you just give her a chance? I mean, if on the other hand she doesn't meet up with our expectations, then we can look elsewhere.
I'll think about it.
There's no time to think. You make it happen.
Okay, I'll try.
The word I will try or the sentence I will try is not in the Nnamani's vocabulary.
I said I'll try.
I will.
Okay, I will.
I will. Good.
Anything else?
Nah.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too.
I have to run along. Okay, let me just run along. Yeah.
Yeah. Laura, why are you not thinking about a man? Yes.
You have been the one stalking my friend.
No, sir. It's not what you think. No, sir, please. Don't tell him. Please. I can do anything you want me to do. Please, don't tell him. Please, sir. Don't tell him.
Anything?
Yes, sir. Anything you want me to do for me, I swear I will do it.
You remember what I told you, right? Make sure you do what is right, okay? Yes, come in.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Yes, sure, please come in, please. Come in. Welcome, sir.
No, Stella.
Yes, can I get you something to drink?
No.
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay.
Diamond,
Hi.
I know you and I started on the wrong foot.
Oh, please, come on. It's not your fault. I totally understand, okay? So.
Okay.
Okay.
Dinner. It's in a restaurant of your choice.
A dinner. Are you asking me out on a date?
Yeah, sure.
Of course. Yeah, sure, yes.
All right.
Okay.
So I guess I'll see you soon.
Oh yeah. Yes. See you soon. Oh my goodness! Did you just hear that?
This is beautiful.
Did you see what I just heard? Yes, he practically asked me out on a date.
Please sit down.
Oh my god, I don't want to sit down! Like, this is amazing!
So beautiful.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh my goodness! I told you.
Yes,
I
I
told
did.
you. Yes!
I'm happy for you. Come ready.
Oh, I am so happy.
Asked her out on a dinner date. Why? What for?
What sort of question is that? How am I supposed to know why and what the dinner date is for?
But that cannot happen now.
My dear, it is happening already. We have lost out.
Speak for yourself, Jane. Because Chelsea is still very much in the race.
But if anyone should have a shot at Dillion, it shouldn't be that stupid girl.
Her father is Chief Magnus Diribe. She can't be stupid to have a father that is that rich.
Has anyone seen any of her family members around?
Why do you care?
What if she's not what she claims to be?
Oh, please.
Dora, I don't know what you're insinuating, but all I know is that she has taken the man we all have been fighting to have.
No, not at all. Like I said before, I am still very much in the race. Alright? I'm done here.
What are you going to do?
Watch me. Chelsea.
Am I coming back? Come back, Oscar. Come back. Come back. Where did you take me to? Where on earth did you...
You like it?
If I like it. Oh, good. I love it.
Oh my god, that means I passed the test.
Of course, 101% you passed the test.
Oh my god.
Dillion would hastily make you his wife. Yes.
What did you say?
Dillion would hastily make you his wife. You know why? My friend Dillion, he likes women that are good, that can ding ding, that can dong dong.
That means I will soon be Mrs. Dillion.
Oh yes! Mrs. Dillion.
Say that again.
Ah, Mrs. Dillion.
Again?
Mrs. Dillion.
Thank you very much, Oscar.
No. That is where you get it wrong. You don't call me Oscar. You call me Oscar from Alabama.
Oscar from Alabama.
No, you're still getting it wrong. With all the energy you just gave me. That is what you used to pronounce it. Oscar from Alabama?
Oscar from Alabama.
You're still getting it wrong. Are you sure you want to be Mrs. Dillion? I will change my mind. I will change my mind.
Okay, I'll get it right. I'll get it. Say it again.
Oscar from Alabama?
Oscar from Alabama.
Good. Very good.
Thank you, Mrs. Dillion.
Mrs. Dillion, where is Alabama from?
USA.
Oh! Fucking essay! You fucking essay!
I got it.
You got it? You passed it!
Mrs. Dillion.
Mrs. Dillion?
Mrs. Dillion. What is it?
You should come. Oh, call me Oscar.
Oscar.
From Alabama?
From Alabama.
Oscar.
Oscar.
See Oscar, come.
Oscar, come.
Being a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it. They forming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah.
What?
Nothing.
I insist.
Well, I'm just happy, seated here with you in one of the biggest restaurants in the city. Yeah, just happy.
Am I such of an asshole?
An asshole?
Yeah.
No, really. No, you're not.
So tell me all there is to know about you.
Well, I've told you everything. There's really nothing much to know about me. There is nothing you don't know.
So, why do you love me?
Love. Who's talking about love here?
I thought you... Except it's a farce.
Of course I love you. I mean, who wouldn't love you? Look at you. You're cute. You're tall. You're dark. You have everything it takes to attract a sensible woman to yourself. So, I think I'm pressed.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you're pressed.
I need to use the restroom.
Oh, yeah, sure. I think down left. The restroom is left. Hey, what's up? No, nothing much. I'm currently in Nigeria actually. Just a few. Yes, exactly. I'll be back. I don't know. I can't really say for now, but probably when I'm back in the UK, I'll give you a call. Okay. Okay. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, you know what? Can I call you back? Yeah, I'll call you back shortly. You done?
Yes. Hello. My phone just came up right now.
Okay, which means?
We have to head home. Yes.
We just got here. I thought that's
know.
all you wanted.
Of course. I love it. You said this whole setup?
Yeah.
I love it. But But I'm not padded.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't want such embarrassment, right?
Yes, so sorry, we have to leave. Okay, what about
The bill? Just
okay, I'll just figure it out. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No problem. It's fine. You need me to cover up for you or something? Is it flowing already?
Yeah, it's flowing already.
Okay.
This rap is for Dini. It's for Dini. Yeah. This girl's not busybody. Said action doesn't work no more. That fashion is old. Because men are now wise. If you want to win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it. They farming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah.
You're back already.
Yeah.
How did it go?
Not so good.
What happened?
I keep seeing him everywhere.
Who?
Charles, of course. I don't know if this guy has a human tracking device that monitors me everywhere I go. Like, I don't even know his problem.
Did he see you?
Not really. But sincerely, I am not going to lie to you. I am tired. I am tired of this whole thing. I am tired. I am tired.
You can't be tired. We still have a long way to go. You have to deliver Dillion to us. I mean, we need to take over this empire. I mean, look at the life, look at the money and everything. Don't you want to keep enjoying this life? Huh?
I want to.
Good.
But I just want you to see reasons with me.
If it's for Chas, don't worry. I'll handle it.
Hey Dilly,
Yeah.
are you done eating out with your girlfriend?
Yes.
So soon? Or you did that just to make me feel good, right?
Come on, no. Not really. Actually, she asked that I would leave the restaurant.
Why?
Because our August visitor came called.
Ouch. So sorry about that.
Hey, come on. It's fine. I can see you're busy with one of your favorite things, which is sketching.
I have been going around collecting beautiful images in the estate. They will translate to cash when next I attend the New York exhibition.
That's a real you business, Laura.
You know I love money.
Actually, you do. Not like you say, oh brother, please can you give me some pounds? Can you give me some pounds? I ain't giving you any pounds, babe. Pure cash. Now.
Really?
Yes, really.
I'm still the baby girl of the house, so. She's beautiful.
Where did you get this from?
In the estate.
Which estate?
Here in Namani's estate. She's a gardener, I think. And why are you asking?
She's beautiful.
Yeah, she is. She is.
Where can I see her?
I don't know. You like her already?
No. No, I mean
you do.
No. Listen.
You
No.
do.
Listen. She She's cool. I mean, the sketch is cool, you know. Anyway, never mind. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you mind if I ask you for something?
Yeah, go on, sure.
Can I keep it? Please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
You can. Anything for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
I'll see you later.
All right.
Yeah. You can.
You smell heat with alomo bitter. What can you come here? Eh? Does this place look like a bar to you? Yeah, this is the prestigious Naman estate.
Do you know you're embarrassing me?
Me? Embarrassing you? You first embarrass yourself by coming a place where you have no business with. Huh?
I'm looking for diamond. It's funny.
You have a girlfriend that lives in this estate.
Paulinus.
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on here? Who is he looking for?
I don't know.
And you couldn't ask him? I don't know. Who is he looking for?
I'm looking for diamond.
Hey!
Diamond?
Yes, diamond. I'm looking for her.
rich kid vibe.
You have a visitor.
A visitor?
A visitor.
I mean, who could that be?
I don't know. You should come see for yourself.
Visitor. Okay, you can go. I've heard you.
You should come see for yourself.
Oh, please, leave my side. I've heard you.
But you should come now. It seems you both have a lot of catching up to do, so I'll leave you to it.
So this is where you're hiding?
Charles, what are you doing here and how did you get to find me?
I told you you can never hide from me. I told you. What are you doing here?
Rubbish. What I'm doing here is none of your business. What are you doing here? Listen, you have to go. You have to go right now.
Me?
Yes.
Go. After the distance to this place, I don't know what you're talking. I'm hungry. Get me food.
Charles, please. I beg you in the name of God, in the name of anything, please. Just go, please. You can't come here now. What are you doing here? You can't.
I just arrived. Why the rush? Why are you rushing me?
No, you have to go. You have to go.
Why are you rushing me?
Hey, Diamond. Baby.
I've been looking for you.
I've been looking for you too.
And who's it?
Hey, you know what? I actually wanted to come to your room to tell you that my brother came visiting.
Oh, your brother?
Yes.
Yeah, I can even see the resemblance.
You can see the resemblance.
Yes,
Look at the skin colors.
You're welcome.
We look alike.
Thank you, partner.
No, Dillian.
Okay, Dillian. I'm Charles.
Oh, Charles. Nice to meet you, Charles.
Same
Yeah, you're welcome. Have you shown him around the estate?
No, baby, come on. That would be necessary. You know, he just came to pass a message, and right now, he's about leaving.
No. I would love to see what the legendary Nomadi estate looks like. I've heard so much about it.
Oh, you're welcome. It's a pleasure, actually. And Diamond.
Yes, baby.
Why not show him around the estate? Yes, and of course you're always welcome there, okay? Just settle in, I'm sure she's going to entertain you very well. There are lots to drink and eat.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and please, when you're done with that, I'd like to see you. There's something I want to show you.
Oh, okay, the love of my life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Settle in, please. And Diamond, okay, when you're done, sorry.
My brother.
Can I have more?
You have to go.
Mister!
It's okay.
So, this is your room.
My room?
Yes. Oh, don't you like it?
Of course I do. I love it already. I mean, it's chilling. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want anything?
Food. Yeah, food.
Okay, I'll make that available.
I like that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so relax while I run this special errand for you. And it is my pleasure to inform you that This is a special season in this estate.
Okay.
And I promise you will enjoy your stay here.
I like the sound already. I will enjoy my stay. It's nice.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Feel free.
No, of course. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How could you? How could you let him come here when you know our plans? How?
Sister, what are you talking about? I'm equally very much surprised. I don't know how he got to find me.
Now tell me the truth. Did you give him the address to this place?
How? Have you forgotten you seized my phone? How am I supposed to have achieved that? I was even surprised when they called me to tell me that he came looking for me. I did not send him any address. So.
That boy is a demon. He has come to scatter my plans, but I won't let him. Never!
So what do you suggest we do? What do we do? Because I know Charles. Charles will start gallivanting and showing himself around. And we don't want that. He needs to be stopped.
Where is he now?
He's in one of the visitors' room.
Now listen. I don't want to see you anywhere close to him. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Okay.
Now take me to him this minute.
Yes, I'm here. And as you can see, I'm having the fun of my life.
I see that. Anyways, enjoy yourself. Because this would be the last meal you would have in this estate.
Why?
Because you would be on your way out after eating.
I know you never liked me ever since I started dating your sister. Yes. But you see this place I am? This is the best thing that has happened to me since I was born. You can see the kind of food I'm eating. And you want me to leave so soon? No now, madam. No now.
Just you would leave. And that is not debatable or negotiable. Is that clear?
Why are you so desperate about me leaving? Is that something you're hiding?
Hiding? Just what is your problem? I mean, does this place look like your father's? Don't you want to go back to your father's house again?
Does this place look like your father's house too? Does it? Is
What
this
do
your
you
father's
want?
house?
What do you want?
What I want?
Yes, like money. How much do you want?
You really want to pay me off?
Damn it, mister. Answer me. How much do you want?
Okay. Since you want me to leave so urgent, I hope you're ready to part with 20 million naira.
20 million what?
Oh, Charles. You always asked for little.
Did you just say that is little? Who on earth carries such money around? Who?
Find it.
Find what? Find 20 million? Charles, maybe you're not getting it. Are you in any way thinking that we've hijacked this dynasty? I mean, where do you want us to get 20 million naira from? Okay, fine. Me and you, as man no man, based on 1 or 2, how much will you don't give me?
for your life, entire miserable life, how much will you don't give me? Have you seen 20 million naira before?
Enough. You would get the money.
Did you want to get such money? How do you want to get it?
That's nice. You have 1 week. Just 1 week to make that happen.
Hey, you must be okay, right?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
The chief security.
Yes, sir.
Here. You can have it. Do you know her?
Yes, sir. I know her.
What's her name?
Her name is Chizitelo.
Say that again.
Chizitelo.
Chizitelo. Oh, that's an interesting name. Can I have it back? Yeah. So, she works here?
No, sir. She's not an employee here, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. She only comes here whenever she's in need of money. And when I need extra hands.
Oh, okay. Okay. When was the last time she came here?
It's been long, sir.
So, any contact address or something?
I have no idea, sir. Sir, hope she hasn't done anything wrong, sir.
No, not at all. Far from it. Don't worry. Thanks for your time, okay? I appreciate it.
Thank you,
can
sir.
go back to your post. Yeah, thank you.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is wicked. Different experiences, diverse testimonies. But the truth remains that love is beautiful.
I've served him food already.
And why are you smiling like he came to see you?
You know, I've never liked that diamond of a girl. Sometimes I feel she's not real.
And how do you mean?
There is something fishy going on. Although I'm yet to place my hands around it. But I believe with the arrival of this her so-called brother, the truth is not far-fetched.
So you're trying to say he's not Diamond's brother? Be careful of what you say around here, Odora, before you lose your job over something that is none of your business.
Dillion is my business. Yes. And so long as this whole thing is connected to me, it is my business. Again.
Girl,
Oh.
continue making it your business.
Yes, I will.
Don't mind your business.
I will mind my business.
Oh, my lady, the car is ready. Shall we?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's so sweet of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, son?
Dad.
You're here already?
Yes, I can see you're having fun.
Oh, yes. This is the only same thing I do since after retirement.
I know, right? It's a beautiful sport, actually. And if you work hard enough, you can become a legend like Tiger Woods, you know. Don't get me wrong, Dad, of course you're a legend. But I mean, in the sport, you can become a #1 like Scheffler, currently.
Yes, like I want to go to the Olympics. Yes, now, talking about hard work.
Yes, Dad.
How far have you gone with finding yourself a bride?
Dad, it's been hectic.
Hectic? With all these girls littered everywhere.
You know, that's the problem. Too many of them.
What about Diamond?
She's there. Dad, the thing about Diamond is that I'm finding it so difficult in accepting her.
Come on, son. You don't have to let indecision come between you and what you ought to do. I called you to let you know that if you don't hurry, the board of trustees may be forced to vote in someone else. And I'm not sure you will like that. Whatever you want to do, please, hurry up about it.
Okay, Dad.
Come on.
So, can I join you?
Oh, why not?
Why are you staring at me like that now? Eh? What is it?
Why haven't you come to my room, Chica?
And that is what I will not take from you. My name is not Chica. My name is Diamond. Black Diamond. What is Chica? And by the way, what's happening in your room? I mean, what's up with your room? Are you sharing money? Huh?
So because Dillion promised you marriage, that is why you have refused to have me anymore.
Such is life.
Such is life. Such is life. I hope you are aware Dillion invited me over for a drink at the poolside. You know what that means, right? The two men will have a lot to discuss.
You would do no such thing. It's just...
What?
When do you want me to come?
This night.
Yeah, no one.
Good.
I will show you.
That's my Chica.
Because don't you come, Chica again. Idiot.
This night.
Sorry to disturb you, man.
Yeah, it's okay, it's nothing.
Yeah, I don't know, have you seen your sister? I've been looking for her everywhere. No trace of her.
No, I've not. Have you tried calling her on the phone?
Yes, I did, and her phone is in the room. And, okay, anyway, sorry for the disturbance.
No, it's okay, it's fine.
Yeah, and I hope they're treating you well here.
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm comfortable. I enjoy the place.
Oh,
It
fantastic.
reminds me of my home.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I have this kind of luxury in my house.
I see. Oh, you're the brother now, yeah. So,
Yeah,
of course,
the older brother.
Oh, the older brother.
Yeah,
of course, you guys are used to the luxury then.
I'm telling you, yeah. I mean, it's come on with us.
No problem. I will leave you to rest. Probably we'll catch up later. Tomorrow or maybe some other time when you find time, yeah.
That won't be bad.
Oh, okay. Good night.
Okay, good night.
If you see her, tell her that I'm looking for her.
Hi, it won't be a problem.
Okay. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Yeah.
It's out. Why are you talking so much? What's I? Come, let's finish up.
Finish up your head.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?